Let's continue. We're going to do all the questions today. Let's take a look at number 6. We have 1/50th. We have 1/100th. So we're going to compare, right? 50 and 100, we cannot compare, so we have to turn 50 into 100. Let's write this down. 1/50th is equal to blank over 100. What do we have to do? 50 times what equals 100? 50 times 2. So we also have to multiply the top by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. So here we have 2/100th compared to 1/100. Right, there we go. So how can we compare these two, right? Now that we have 100, 100. So is 2 more than 1? Yes, 2 is more than 1. So we can automatically say 2/100ths is more than 1/100th. So that means 1/50th is more than 1/100th. Very good. So now we know 1/50th is more than 1/100th. Let's take a look at number 7. Number 7 says 13/25ths, 39/75ths, right? So which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? We have to turn 25 into 75. Let's do that together. So 13 over 25, and we want to turn it into something over 75. 25 times what equals 75? 25 times what equals 75? 25 times 3. If we times 3 on the bottom, we have to times 3 on the top. So 13 times 3. 13 times 3 equals, correct, 39. So there we go. We're going to write it all together now. 39 over 75. The circle, 39 over 75. What do we see? Denominators are the same, right? Denominators are the same. Numerators are the same, 39 and 39. So we can write this down as they are equal. So we're going to write 13/25ths is equal to 39/75ths, right? Equal. These are equal. Equal. Number 7 is equal. All right, let's take a look at number 8. Number 8. Number 8, we have 19/21ths and 28/42, right? So we're going to turn 21 into 42. So let's write this down. 19 over 21, and we want to turn it into an equivalent fraction of something over 42. What do we have to do? 21 times what equals 42? 21 times what equals 42? 21 times 2. So if we multiply the bottom, we have to multiply the top. So 19 times 2. 19 times 2 is 38. Very good. So 38 over 42 compared to 28 over 42. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? Right? Same denominator. 38 is bigger or 28 is bigger? You're correct. 38 is the bigger number. So we have to write it like this. 38/42 is bigger than 42 seconds, sorry. So we're going to write it like this. 19/21ths is bigger than 28/42. Just like that. Okay, let's take a look at number 9. 18/25ths compared to 32/50ths. 32/50ths. So we have to turn 25 into 50. 25 into 50 to make it the same denominator. So 18/25 is equal to something 50. What do we have to do? 25 to turn into 50. 25 to turn into 50. 25 times what equals 50? 25 times 2. 18 times 2, because we multiply the top and bottom by the same. So 18 times 2 is equal to 36. So 36 over 50 compared to 32 over 50. So we have to compare. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? Same denominator, 50-50. Is 36 bigger or 32 is bigger? 36 is bigger, right? So we're going to write it like this. 36/50 is bigger than 32/50. So it's the same. 18/25 is bigger than 32/50. Let's take a look at our last question of today. Number 10, 3/7 and 30/49. 3/7 and 30/49. We have to compare the same denominators first. 7 into 49. So we're going to write that down. We have to turn it. 3/7 is equal to 49. Okay. 7 times what equals 49? 7 times what equals 49? 7 times 7. 3 times 7. We have to multiply the bottom and the top by the same number. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So 21 over 49 compared to 30 over 49. So which one is bigger? Same denominator, so we're going to look at the numerator. 30 is bigger. 30 is bigger than 21. 30 is bigger than 21. So we can say 30/49 is bigger than 21/49. And we can also say 30/49 is bigger than 3/7. Is bigger than 3/7. All right, so let's review what kind of steps we need to do. We have to, number 1, right? We have to, when comparing fractions with denominators that are multiples of each other, make the denominators equal. Make the denominators equal. Then compare the numerators. So we have 2 steps. Make the denominators equal, number 1. Then number 2, compare the numbers. So that's all for today. Very good today if you watched through all this. And tomorrow we'll practice some more, and we'll also learn how to arrange fractions from smallest to biggest, biggest to smallest, in descending order and ascending order. Very good today.